So in this video, I'll be explaining how you can use Sparkflows to connect to the Databricks database and explore the schema, create tables, drop databases, and many more. So let's click on the database of Databricks, and here we can see all the different schema available. So let's drop one of those schema using the drop database query. So once we execute the query, it's going to take a couple of seconds to execute it, and database is deleted. Now let's explore the different tables available in the default schema. And over here we can see there are a bunch of tables available. Let's query one of them. So you can write all SQLs over here in the SQL editor, and you can instantly get the results. Depending upon the size of the table, it may take a couple of extra seconds, so we need to be patient in that case. So you can see that we have the table data represented over here. Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be explaining how you can use Databricks connection to browse the Databricks file system from the database browser present in the file sites of the Sparkflows application. So we can quickly jump onto the Databricks file explorer, and we can always use browse dbfs button to browse different files that are available in the file system. Now once we have the connection, and this connection can be configured from the global connections. So let's quickly jump into the global connections, click on edit, and here you can see that we can use the token, the postback URL, the URL through which we can browse the Databricks file system and the database from here. And these are some of the dependencies that needs to be stored when we are executing some of the Spark jobs on Databricks cluster. So once you have the connection ready, you can always go ahead and click on the data and then click on dbfs to look at all the different files and directories available over here. Now let's create a new directory. And to validate that the directory has been really created, we can always go to the dbfs file system and search over here, and we can see that this directory has been created. So let's jump back to the Sparkflows and search for this directory, which is the file demo, and over here we are going to upload a file. This is going to be a simple Python file. Now you have the file uploaded on the Databricks file system, and we can always verify it by navigating to the Databricks file system to validate that it is really present.